I have this. Antibacterial for my cleaning houses because people are disgusting. Concentrated basil. It's a great scent. I don't know why they don't have this in all the other flavors, like apple cider, for one thing, which they need to, because this scent is just, oh my god. And I'm so glad I got this because I have to clean all the rest of the week. Room spray bottle. I didn't order this. Very weird. Maybe they shipped it for free? I don't know. Fancy. Orange cologne for Christmas. A new dish towel. Ooh. I have a green one already, but just this one is the new one. That's the only plastic is this. And that was covering that. Yes, this has like a little gold detail for Christmas. They sent me this free. Ultra soft bath tissue. It's bamboo and sugar cane. I'm so excited to try this. This is plastic too. It's recyclable though. If there's recycling, not just going to the trash. They wrap the oils in this now instead of plastic. I got peppermint. And apparently I got room spray. Maybe this came with my Christmas haul. A little piney, a little orangey. Yeah, it came with my Christmas scents. Or holiday, I'm sorry. Bar soap. It's a little funky, I'll tell you that. It's a funk. Coconut and olive oils plus a festive scent. Okay, this is paper. And then I got my Orange Globe hand soap, which I have 10,000 of. The rest is just paper. And that is it for my little haul here. 4 minutes. Not bad. Here's a little recap. I guess this came with my thing. But I've always been wanting to buy this. So I guess it's good. This we use for our skin. Not our skin, but for nighttime sleeping. We put it on with a carrier oil just to help prevent colds a little bit because it's like hot and then it's cold in Michigan and then it's hot again and then it's cold. This Orange Club scent is very good for the little winter time. It's got a good scent to it. This I need to mix up today because I have to go clean a house in like 15 minutes. And this I needed too, which this is the best price for this anywhere. I tried to get it at Target and it's like $7. No, it's like $4, but it's $2.99. And this is recyclable, I believe. Except for that sticker I just put on there. Cool. I wonder if you put the entire concentrate in there. That seems so much. I don't know where my packing slip is. Usually that's in there. Yeah, this is for their new beauty. Roven. It takes you to a different site when you use it for the app. It takes you to a different thing. But this is awesome. And then I can have a little review of how it works. It looks pretty nice. I typically buy Quilted Northern in bulk from Sam's Club because that's just the cheapest thing to do. But this would be better for the environment anyways. So that's it. That's the haul.